Here's another look at that Aiza Maiza shot.
Yes.
She was, facing directly at the net, no angle whatsoever, but her arm, she was able to, hit the ball with such an angle that it really almost went horizontal.
Magic.
Ooh, Benting, so much power there.
Yes,
Irretrievable for USD.
just too much for the libero of USD, Dusaran. Down the line hit. Ganda ng angle, but Dusaran was there. There's too much power behind that attack.
Adamson within one. USD on the attack. Benting. Banatikla, the tip. Here's Benting again. Blocked. Free ball USD. Banatikla. Makatuno to the middle. Kinlog. What a play by Angelica Kinlog.
Smart move by Kinlog. She knew that most of the players of USD were in front already. Going for the back row, takes that point.
And we're tied at 16 all. Adamson refusing to fade away against the defending champions in this matchup of the number 2 and number 3 seed. Off-speed hit, Aiza Maiza really showing us the arsenal, the entire repertoire of her offensive skills today.
Now the lucky charm of Coach Shaq enters. Nakalimutan niya kanina.
Let's see if she delivers. USD lamang ng isa, 17-16, set number 4. Another fabulous serve. Benting denied.
That's Brenda Mapalangan along with Aiza Maiza closing it. Closing everything for Angela Benting. Jane Gonzalez again on the line. That was dug up well by Pineda.
Free ball USD. Tigresses on the attack. Makatuno. Top setup job. And she scores off the block of Di Maculangan.
Again, Angela Benting using her head, taking that last point. Ganyan, nagula naman si Maizo eh.
But Angela Benting will be in the back row. Ang options lang at the net by Makatuno is Kinlog and Zapanta as Banatikla commits the error for USD.
USD committing a lot of attack errors in this fourth set. Something we did not see in the first 3 sets.
18 all, set number 4. Banatikla back-to-back errors giving Adamson the lead by 1, 19-18.
You know why? Because you can see that she has not forgotten the previous error. Diba? Parang nandun pa rin.
Bothered
Ito
pa,
na
no?
naman ba? When it's a rally point system, it's really, after an error, erase and just get back into the game.
Makatuno to Kinlog, blocked, and point USD 19 all.
Has to be quick recovery, just like this one. Aiza Maiza getting another block point.
Maizo serving. It's Banatikla and Ortiz, the offensive options for Di Maculangan. Free ball USD. Banatikla. Nice save. Free ball again for the Tigresses. Ortiz. Beautiful play.
Partially blocked. Oh, but poor serve for the Lady Backwoods as USD leads by 1. Ayun na-deflect partially blocked by Zapanta.
But yung first ball, medyo napalapit sa net from Angela Benting. USD looking for a 2-point advantage here. Banatikla. Better hit. Here's Zapanta. Ortiz the dump.
Great dig by Angela Benting.
Zapanta can't get it over. And USD 2-point advantage in the most crucial part of set number 4.
Time out, Adamson.
Timeout
Lady
called by
Falcons.
Mami Dulce. Let's listen in to Adamson.
Napabaya ka eh. Tulong! Hindi, tumitigil ka dyan. Alam mo, naghahabol, no?
Wala kayo palo eh. Diba? O, sige po.
Alam mo, kunti na lang yan, no? Kunti na lang. All out na. Diba? Kuha lang ng kuha, kuha lang ng kuha. Wala ka nagpapahinga. Lagay dito lahat ang laro, tsaka dito, oh. Pagkasan mo. Okay.
Dumadaan tayo.
Yan yung sinasabi ko sa iyo, eh. Kapag nag-toast ka, nakaganyan ka. Pag nag-toast ka, umanda ka. Nakuha mo. Okay. Pala yan, dali.
Mami Dulce, egging on the girls. I mean,
Yes.
ito na yun.
This is it. This is the moment if you want to stay on in this
Trying to
game.
make them realize that. And also giving some pointers to Makatuno na after setting, prepare to receive.
And I want to say hi to the doctors of Morong Hospital who are watching this game. Daming fans talaga ng volleyball na eh.
Hello, Docs. USD. Alam ko sila
Nakalimutan na yung mga mensahe. Hindi naman.
mga kailangan na mag-rounds.
The survey, Makatuno.
Adamson fighting back, cutting that deficit to just 1. 20 serving 21.
But you know, Eric, definitely good games ahead of us this week and the coming week. We're in the semis.
Short for
Pineda.
Pineda.
Failing to tip it over the net. Back to a 2-point lead coming off an unforced error from Adamson. She knows that cost them big.
Substitution, Kat Karangan
Big
for
error.
Manu
As
Manatikla.
Karangan now enters in for Banatikla, the other lucky charm of Coach Shaq, the service specialist, and also good in defense.
There are two setters on the floor for UST. There's Gonzalez and Dimakulangan. But Kinlock able to deliver, and Adamson again is within 1.
And look at Kinlock find that angle, and there were no blockers for UST. Nagulat sila sa bilis ng balo ni Kinlock. This is like a jacksaw. Diba yung dati nung
That's true.
Adamson, ganun din. Yung mabilis pumalo, using the wrist.
Speaking of Bilis Pumalo, Ortiz, one of the best in that back set. Running hit for her. Balik sa dalawa kalamangan ng Tigresses.
Here's Rhea Dimakulangan.
Good coverage defensively. Gonzalez sets it up for Caballejo.
Check ball
And it
and
is
USC
match point.
at match
UST.
point.
And Caballejo, just
1
the
point
right
away
side,
from the
scored the
finals
point as you
again.
see the two
Timeout,
coaches.
Adamson Lady Falcons.
And timeout, maybe the final one for Mami Dulce. Let's listen in.
Huwag kang mag-relax. Kunti na lang yan. Nagre-relax ka pa. Okay, go! Kung gawin niyo yung best nyo.
Sige, bigyan mo yan. Ganda mo na yung set.
Okay. Balo ng balo mo na yan.
Oo, napapalin mo. Tara, sarap tayo.
Tara,
Bigyan mo na. Oo.
Okay, okay.
Ready, ready.
This is the last-ditch effort by Angela Benting and the Lady Falcons. They are down 3 match points against the defending champions in this 2 versus 3 matchup in the Final 4.
So let's see if they're able to tie up this game, this set, to continue on, or will UST?
Oh, it ends on a service ace. A lucky bounce at the tape of the net from Rhea Dimakulangan.
So anticlimactic.
The USC Tigresses.
What a way to end this game.
And for Angela Benting, it is her swan song. It is her finale. It is her goodbye to the many fans that she has in the UAAP as UST eliminates Adamson in 4 sets.
You know, Angela Benting has really been with us for a long time, and we watched her grow to become one of the superstars here at the UAAP. And she's just become a great volleyball player, both in beach volleyball and in indoor volleyball. And a lot of fans, tama ka dyan, a lot of following. Why? Because she's really one tough cookie. As you see here on your screen, the team captain for the Lady Falcons.
She has given so much, and unfortunately for Adamson, it was not enough, as Angela Binting never saw the finals in her career for Adamson. But right now, celebrating with her teammates, of course, the best player, and she is with our Patch Kansana.
Yes, I'm with Aiza Maizo, the team captain and the best player of the game. Congratulations, Aiza. Okay, Aiza, akala natin matatapos yun ng 3 sets yung laro, pero nung third set mukhang nag-relax ang UST. Ano bang adjustments ang ginawa nyo nung fourth set at finally tinapos yung semifinals game ninyo?
Yun nga, nag-relax kami ng third set. Kaya bumawi kami ng fourth set kahit humahabol yung Adamson. Sabi lang namin na enjoy namin yung game. Tapos isa-isa lang na para matapos kaagad yung game namin.
Aiza, graduating ka na at ito na ang huling championship game mo for your whole UAAP career. Paano mo paghahandaan to at ano bang kailangan naming asahan sa isang Aiza Maizo sa huling pagkakataon nito?
Siguro, hindi ko masasabi kung ano yung mga papakita ko sa championship. Sana makita na lang ninyo yung game namin sa Wednesday. Kung sakaling walang game itong second round.
Aiza, kung may gusto kong batiin, pwede mo silang batiin ngayon.
Binabati ko sa Pasig City yung mga parents ko, tito, tita, lola, ang mga kapatid, tsaka team kuya ng Pasig, taga Dumaguete, at saka sa mga taga Bermuda po dyan. Thank you.
Alright, congratulations, Aiza, and to the rest of the team. Congratulations at good luck sa pag-defend ng title niyo. Back to you, Eric and Mosey.
Thank you, Patch. The very jubilant Aiza Maizo and the rest of the Tigresses. Aiza Maizo are Shakey's best player. Shakey's It's Fun Family Pizza. And of course, a sad ending to Mami Dulce, Coach Minerva Pante. Of course, she led the team as far as they could, but they could just not overcome the talent, the skill of UST. There is a schedule on Saturday. The number 1 and 4 seeds in the Final Four will meet, of course, in the men's division first at 2 o'clock. The Growling Tigers take on the Green Archers, while, of course, the last year's first runner-up, De La Salle University Lady Spikers, will take on their nemesis, the Ateneo Lady Eagles. That's right, in the main event on Saturday. And just a quick recap of today's actions. The number 2 seeds fulfill their assignments and will take an early rest, as last year's first runner-up in the men's division, the FEU Tamaraos, take care of UP easily in 3 straight sets and march into the finals. And of course, our second game, the defending champions take out Adamson in 4 sets, and they are waiting for their opponent in the finals of the women's division. Thanks to our director, Abet Ramos, our producer, Ada Bayuga, for Patch Kansana, Maan Panganiban, my partner, Moses Ravena. I'm Eric Tipan. Thank you for watching our coverage of the Final Four of the men's and women's volleyball tournament of season 73 of the UAAP on Studio 23, Iba Kabarkada. This has been another ABS-CBN Sports presentation.
Can't stop coming in hot. I should be locked up right on the spot.